Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a little unboxing of the Armani Exchange AX2172. This is a dark brown strapped watch with a rose gold case and a blue dial. So this isn't the original package in which it came in, but I did have an Armani box that I could use. This is something kind of similar that it would come in, whether you bought it new or probably used, although I don't know why you would buy it used in the first place. It's not a very expensive watch. This one cost me around $130 Canadian, and this model comes in a 46mm stainless steel case. So it is quartz movement, it's not automatic, as most Armani watches are. And it is only water resistant up to 50 meters, so be careful with this. So without further ado, let's get a little first look as to what's inside. So this is the watch in question. It is a very nice watch, at least from what it looks like. I do think it looks like a really nice watch. So this is what the watch looks like. As you can see, kind of rose gold case around it with the blue dial and the rose gold numbers. It's got date, as you can see. That's about the only feature other than time, I guess, that you get with this. But it is a watch, and that's kind of what you get. The straps are leather right here. Brown color. Let's get a little bit close up here. So as I said before, the case diameter is roughly 46mm in length. So I have pretty big hands, but as you can see, this is a fairly big watch. One thing that I would like you guys to know is that the case, rather thick. I don't really have anything to compare it to. Maybe the box itself. Oops. However, as you can see, the case thickness is pretty large. However, this is usually the case with watches with a bigger face, such as this one at 46mm. Like I said, I have pretty big hands, and wrists for that matter, so because of that, I have to wear these little bigger watches. This is going to be the back side here. As you can see, Armani Exchange, stainless steel. Again, their logo on the leather. The clasp over here, also rose gold, with the Armani Exchange logo at the top. So this is what it looks like on my wrist. Light reflections are shining pretty hard on it. It is a good looking watch, but definitely, as I said, on the thicker side. Oh. So it's definitely a nice looking watch. Like I said, a little bit on the thicker side. If we go back to look at it here like this, definitely a beautiful watch to have. I really like it. And it's going to be, once I get a little bit bigger straps, a pretty decent part of my collection.